Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This video is kind of a downfall for me. I had sprayed my emblems a whole year ago. Yes, a whole year ago with Dupli-Color wrap spray paint. I actually liked how it came out, the results and how it dried. Everything was great. It held up pretty good for a whole year. As you can see, my mistake was never had the time to take it off earlier. I guess like the timeline's supposed to be max 6 to 8 months, but as you can see, I went over to that. Here I'm trying to peel off the vinyl wrap. Is supposed to peel off easily, but I guess for being also for so long, kind of was harder for me to do it. This actually took me a good while to do my 3 emblems in the back where my trunk area is at. This is my 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. Yeah. At this point, you can see I got irritated already. It was taking forever, so last minute I kind of suggested use a microfiber towel dry and just try to scrape it off gently. And it actually worked better and faster. It peeled off most of all the vinyl spray paint. And then I went over with like a toothpick and I took off the excess and remaining paint that was left over, and then I wet the rag a little bit to get everything totally off, clean the surface up, because I am planning on repainting my emblems black. Maybe go with a matte black this time. Previously they were high gloss black. This Dupli-Color vinyl wrap spray paint that I used a year ago was pretty good. I really liked it. Never really used plastic dip, but I am gonna use it next time me painting this project. I do have the video when I did paint these the first time uploaded, so go check that out. Right here I'm painting off the trim, I guess you could call it, piece in the trunk of my trunk. I painted that high gloss back and it kind of matched nice with my tinted tail lights. I painted those with VHT Nightshade. I also have a video of that, go check it out. And for some reason the trim was easier to peel off. You see right here, I'm just like kind of like peeling it down, dragging it down. It came off pretty nicely. I don't know if I'm gonna repaint that part though, kind of guessing it. But this time that I repaint them, I will do the video, and I am gonna be testing out plastic dip for the first time. Never used plastic dip. Got a lot of good things about it though. So after I removed everything now finally from all the emblems, I came back and I used a little bit of like dish soap and water diluted in the rag, and I wiped down everything really clean. Then I passed by with a dry microfiber towel, make sure everything was pretty dry, because I am repainting these emblems again in my car. I really like how they look. They make them look more aggressive with the gloss black, but this time I might go with a matte black. And this is the last emblem I'm actually peeling off, is my Toyota logo. It was already peeling off on its own after a year, but it still held up pretty good, if I do say so myself. This was Dupli-Color wrap. Guys, check it out. Well, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys. Leave a comment down below, like the video, tell me what you guys think. I know it was such a bummer. It was my fault. I left that on for a whole year. I should have removed this spray vinyl earlier, but you live and you learn. Thank you guys.